All my hopes are vested in the outcome of this cause.
So they reckon, this is their idea, I don't trust much of science, that the sand here was deposited between 70 and 10,000 years ago and was mixed with ice, and then they say the climate improved. Whew. Wonder what it was like back then. And when the ice went away, the sand remained, and that's what we have now.
Shoes on, jacket off, come on, I want to take the floor. 'Cause your legs don't lie, contest.
What can be nicer than a Sunday afternoon, chilling by a fireplace to the sounds of Michael Bublé? I'm in heaven. Well, at least it's a very nice establishment. Check this out. Weet u waar hebben? I like what they did to the wallpaper. Really nice. What a rare backstage pleasure. That's so nice. I'll see you in half an hour. Kerstvis in Afrika. Als je wel kan kerstvis vader, maar zijn vroeg hier komt eraan. Kerstvis in Afrika. Rij je tak op voor een donkey, en je sleep voor een donkey car. Dus kerstvis in Afrika. So on this tour we're doing 28 gigs in 35 days. These people have been to about half of that. And I'm trying to organize them a guest pass for at least one of the gigs because my guilt, my conscience actually can't live with it anymore. Tilburg, gaan proberen van Tilburg.